WEHT Local Lifestyles continues.
American Senior Community serves the Tri-State with so many excellent programs and facilities. And here to tell us about a fairly new program in pain management is the Director of Therapy at Mount Vernon Nursing and Rehab, Janelle Burton. It's good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
This is really interesting. Now, I mean, pain management is obviously a big issue in the demographic you serve.
Correct.
And there are probably lots of ways to do this, but let's talk about this particular piece of equipment. What is it?
This is called Dolphin Stem, and it was created specifically to treat soft tissue pain.
So, for example, where would we have soft tissue pain?
In your knees, hips, any joint, as well as it can treat arthritis, fibromyalgia, carpal tunnel syndrome, plantar fasciitis, sciatica. Really, any kind of pain can pretty much be treated with this.
That one little thing?
Yes.
Well, all right, how does it work, Janelle?
It works similar to acupuncture, actually, without the needles, and we apply it to specific treatment points, and it applies brief electrical impulses into those treatment points, which affect the nervous system, causing it to release endorphins, which are the body's natural painkillers.
That feel good, the feel good endorphins.
And it's about 80% effective in reduction of pain.
Now, I also understand that it has some function with scars.
It does. What most people don't realize about scars is not only is the scar sometimes not nice to look at, but it can cause pain in other areas. One of the examples I like to give is C-section scars. The tightness in that area can cause you to hunch your back, causing back pain. It can cause hip pain. It can cause all sorts of pain. So this can reduce not only the appearance of a scar, but it can help release the scar so it's not pulling on those other areas causing pain.
Well, that's fascinating. I would never have thought of that application. So if you're working with, let's say, a pretty extensive scar like a C-section scar, are you working down the length of that incision?
Mm-hmm.
And so how much time does it take for that to provide a session?
Not too long. Each treatment point you leave it on for about 20 to 30 seconds. So according to the size of the scar, there'll be multiple treatment points along it, all the way around it. Probably about 10, 15 minutes.
That's not bad. And how often do you find that you need to repeat this to really get the optimum relief?
Most people notice a difference after the first session, but they say it takes about 10 sessions for lasting relief.
That's great. And I mean, you can actually get lasting relief.
Yes.
Wow. So if you're going to do carpal tunnel, for example, are you going to several spots in the hand and wrist, or just one sweet spot, if you will?
There's several spots, and not only will it be just in the hand and wrist, we also have distal points we'll treat as well, like on the back of the neck. There's spots on the feet, there's spots in the ears, there's spots everywhere.
What does the patient feel?
You do feel a little impulse. Sometimes it's slightly uncomfortable, but it's never painful.
So it's not a pain, it's more of a vibration sensation.
Yes.
Like that. Now, do you offer this as an outpatient as well?
We do. And to come to our facility outpatient, you just need to contact your doctor and ask for an order to come to our facility, and we'll be able to treat you.
How many people are you treating with this now? And just in your facility?
A lot. I don't know the exact number. We do several outpatients, and we use it on our inpatients as well for their pain.
Is this service available in all of your facilities?
It's available in all of our facilities in the Evansville area, as well as Newburgh and Mount Vernon.
Well, that's good to know. Now, you've been doing this a while, about a year.
Mm-hmm.
Are you, as the professional, really ramped up about the results you're getting?
Yes, we're having wonderful results, and our patients are, and people come back for other body parts that they find that they're having pain in. After we've treated one, they want it done someplace else to help with other pain.
Well, how can they get in touch with you if they have questions about coming, maybe as an outpatient?
Just give me a call at 812-838-6554.
All right, American Seniors Community is ramping down the pain and ramping up the good health. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's check in with Ron Rhodes. He's right.